Hi, this is KK. Today, the video is one of my most important video, because in business, sales is important, okay? But sales is not everything, okay? And I can give you great sales if I throw a lot of money, do a lot of promotion, buy a lot of traffic in Facebook to drive the traffic to my website. But one thing which stands true is how many profit you can get from your business. Only with profits, the business will grow and grow and grow. And I found that in Lazada, most sellers, they don't know how to find their profit for each SKU or for each order ID or for even their business per month, per week, But they will not have a clear view of their financial status of the company. Okay, so today I'm going to show you an easy way to do this calculation in an effective and efficient manner. Stay tuned! Hi guys, let's continue from where we stopped last week. Okay, first let me just hide all this, okay, from column J to column what we, okay, so that easier to see in the whole page. Okay, what is our objective this week? Okay, this week is to learn how to get profit for the Lazada data. Okay, so how do we get the profit? First, must know how to get the cost of material. When you will have the cost of material, when the payment fee is item price credit. Okay, to learn that, we need to have a new Excel worksheet, which is the price list. This is the price list worksheet. The basic price list will have the SKU and their part number and the cost of material. You can also add in category, description, manufacturer, shipping time, and other information you need. Try to make all this information available in a single Excel worksheet. That will help you a lot in the future. Back to the Excel, which have all the information data. So, first thing we need to do is that we need to ask Excel that is this line item price credit. Okay, we are not going to key in one by one. We are going to use a formula. Here I have a very simple table. Okay, name, sex, age, state. Okay, first I want to know if is this male or female. So I will use a formula. Okay, very simple formula. Every formula sign is equals. Okay, then if. Okay, if. Okay, open bracket. If A B3, that means this one B3 equals to male. Okay, give me a 1. If it's not male, give me a comma 0. Okay, bracket. Okay, let me explain again. If, why I B3? Because B3 is where the sex is. You don't need to type B3, you can just click at this here. It will show the B3 equals to male. For alphabets, for text, you need a open apostrophe and a closing apostrophe. If it's a number, you don't need this. Okay, then if you ask Excel to check if B3 is male, you have to break this in a comma. Give me a 1. Okay, if it's false, okay, comma, give me a 0. Okay, clear? Okay, so enter. So of course, if it's a male, you give me a 1. If it's a female, you will give me a 0. Okay, very simple, right? How do we apply in this Excel worksheet? Okay, very simple. Equals to if, open bracket, if the fee name, which is C2, it is equals to open apostrophe item price credit, give me a 1. If not, give me a 0. Okay, or close bracket. Okay, the formula is clear, right? Enter. then just copy over. And now you see only when there is item price credit, this column will show 1. Next, we need to ask Excel to do one thing for us. Okay, we need to ask Excel that when this column is 1, which means that when this is the item price credit row, okay, please show me the price of this SKU number. Okay, show me by getting this SKU price, cost price from the price list. To do that, we need to learn a new formula. I want to put a name here. Okay, when I put the name here, okay, I highlight here. I want him to show me the state, okay, and show me is this male or female. Okay, basically if I type Ali, okay, this one should show me Perak, this one should show me 1. Okay, of course we are not typing this out, we are using formula to do this. Okay, so as I add the column just now, this will be number 5. Okay, it's very simple. The VLOOKUP formula, the VLOOKUP. Okay, we start with an equals, VLOOKUP. Okay, VLOOKUP, open bracket. Okay, what is the lookup value? Of course, lookup value is Ali. Okay, I check Ali against what? Against what table? Comma, against, of course, this table. Okay, so if there's a match, okay, the Ali match the Ali here, what I want him to return, which column? Okay, which column? Here, the state is at column 4, right? The state is at column 4, right? So I want the formula to return me column 4. Okay, comma, I want an exact match. I don't want approximate match. I want exactly same stuff. So it's a false. Okay, close bracket. Okay, close bracket. Okay, enter. See, Perak. Okay, let's say I key in Susan, it will give me Kedah. If I key in Abu, it will give me Kuala Lumpur. Okay, same as this. Okay, equals to VLOOKUP, open bracket. What is your lookup value? I want to check this value, right? Comma, what table you want to check? A, B, C, this table I want to check, right? Okay, which column you want it to send back to you? I want it to send back to me column 6. Column 5. This is wrong. Okay, let me correct this. This is column 5. Okay, equals to VLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, what's the table? Comma, which column? Column 5. Okay, comma, false. Okay, close bracket, enter. Okay, 1. Okay, you can see if I put Susan, it becomes 0. This formula VLOOKUP is very usable, simple, and you can apply it for many instances, for many usage. Okay, remember there's one weakness here. The value you look at, okay, must start at column 1. Okay, it must start at column 1. It cannot be the sex is at column 1, the name is at column 2. Okay, it cannot be like that. It will show you a let's say you put here A to E, it will show you a failure. Remember, the name must be at column 1. Okay, it must be at column 1. Okay, so that this table or this formula only will work if the lookup value is at column 1. This is the weakness of this formula, but it is simple and easy to use. Okay, the second weakness of this formula is that if this is text, this must be text. Okay, here is okay, but some part number they are using number. Let's say here is 1001. Okay, but if you click text here, one text start with a 10, if a number is type a stopy, the small smart 1001, it will not show, 1001, it will not show itself, okay? It need to be a number, only it will show itself, okay? Again, let's say this is text, okay, text. If this is a text, it will be a green small sign here. You put a number 1001, it will not show. This is the second weakness of VLOOKUP, okay? Remember, so it must be text. With text, then only this formula will work, okay? Right? Okay. The next is back to this Excel worksheet, okay? So we need to cover the second weakness of VLOOKUP. So we need to change all number to text, okay? So how do we do that? It's using another formula. Every formula sign with equal sign, trim, okay, T-R-I-M, open bracket, now we're going to trim the seller SKU part number, okay? Enter. So when I do that, whatever happens, it will all turn to text. Because why? Because my price list is all text already, okay? Next is to ask Excel to put in the cost price for us, okay? We start every formula with an equal, okay? And if we want to ask Excel to check whether this is an item price credit or not. If it's item price credit, this will be a 1, right? And if it's a 1, equals to 1, if it's a 1, we look up this part number, this SKU number, comma, from which table? From the price list. Okay, when I highlight AB, you can see on the top there, there's a 10485776R times 2C. The 2C means column 2. Okay, so you can continue typing the formula, comma 2. Okay, and then comma false, because we don't want it to be an accept match. Okay, enter. You ask you whether you want to accept this. No, because we have not finished the formula. Okay, and continue pressing OK. If it's not 1, then what should it return to us? We should return a 0 to us. Okay, then close bracket. Okay, right? The formula is clear here. Okay, enter. Okay, so then you copy the formula to everything. Then now you can see only when there is an item price credit, the cost of the material of this part number will be shown. Where is this cost material come from? It comes from the price list. But I'm not keying in one by one. I ask Excel to do this job for me and save my time, my effort, and no error. Now is to put in the profit when this line is item price credit. What is the formula? Again, it's using what you learned just now. We start with equals if, okay, this is a 1, okay, comma, then use the amount minus the cost of material. That will give you the profit, right? If not, just give you a 0 lah. If this Z1 is not 1, it's a 0, then just give you a 0. Close bracket. Okay? Enter. Then double click. Okay, you can see all the profit at the side. Okay, 6.5 minus 2.3 equals to 4.2. Okay, you can also add in the profit percentage. This is very simple, just equals to the profit divided by the sales. Okay, and then you double click here. Okay, then you got the percentage of your profit over the sales. Okay, now we have all this. It's time to use the pivot table, but because I want to explain the formula as clearly as possible, so we can only continue in next class. Okay, so how to use the pivot table to even enhance the presentation of the data. Also, please subscribe and like this video if you have found that you gain knowledge in this video, okay? So that I can share with you more stuff, more great stuff in the future. Thank you very much.